Hello, we welcome you to the Indian Sign Language enabled virtual lab of CSIR Jigyasa. We hope you enjoy and learn with us.
Hello. Today our topic is antigens and antibodies. Our body is under constant threat from various kinds of disease-causing pathogens. How does our body prevent sickness and diseases? The immune system in our body plays the role of the guard against infectious pathogens. It detects and neutralizes invading and harmful pathogens. Along with red blood cells in our blood, we also have white blood cells or WBCs, which are responsible for protecting our body from infection. Once they locate an infection site, white blood cells produce antibodies which attach to the infection causing organism and destroy it. WBCs circulate in our blood and they act as a scanning mechanism for foreign organisms. When an attack is detected, a white blood cell army arrives and attacks the invaders. This is how white blood cells protect us from infection causing antigens. Pathogens and other foreign organisms can carry sickness causing antigens on their surface. Pathogenic organisms can be of various kinds and have different kind of structures. As soon as the WBCs detect an antigen, it triggers an immune response, which leads to the cells creating specific antibody proteins which are Y-shaped. The antibodies latch itself to the antigen according to the lock and key mechanism. Once the immune system is active, it fights off the disease-causing antigen. If in case there is any mutation on the surface protein of the antigen, the antibody will not be able to latch itself to the antigen and we will get sick. For example, when we get a cold or a fever, our immune system will quickly detect the antigen on the virus and according to the antigen markers, we will also make specific antibodies. In case the antigens are of a different kind and we do not have new antibodies, we will get sick because our immune system has not yet made antibodies which can kill off the mutated antigens. It is similar to opening a lock with the wrong key. Hence, there is a need to keep building new antibodies with different markers which can respond to the various kind of mutations on the antigens proteins and fight the infection. In this way, the immune system is on constant safeguarding duty. The immune system also has specific kind of immune cells which remember the antigen information and mutations so that they can identify future invasions and destroy the enemy. Vaccinations also help our body to upgrade our antigen information and trigger the creation of new antibodies to fight mutated antigens. We may be wondering that despite having an active immune system, a reserve of antibodies, along with various vaccinations, why do we still get infections and sickness? Let me explain. Antigens on pathogens, for example, the common cold and flu virus, keeps mutating from time to time. That is why the existing antibodies fail to protect us every time there is a new infection of the flu virus. The immune system takes time to create newer antibodies which fit the antigen surface protein locks. That is why vaccines play such an important role of updating the antibody reserves in our body so that they are ready to fight newer infections. So the next time you get a cold or fever, you should know that the antigen may have mutated and the body is trying to make new antibodies to fight off the infection.